Are you panicky with the level of low AMH in your blood reports? AMH is the anti-Mullerian hormone that is released from your eggs. It is the indicator of the balance of your eggs at that particular time. It doesn't indicate your chances of pregnancy at all. So even if your AMH is 0.2, you still have a fair chance of pregnancy.
Menteri Kakam Chungokai, Jong Sorkar Jala Uba Polindo, Hakas Nipale Jong Katayo, Ula Pentip, Bakasorkar Jala, Kaladet Ban Shem Yakarai, Ban Pynkynriah no, Yakibashong de Madan, Khyndailad, Shakiway Pat Kijaka, Kanang Ban Lap Ban Weng Yakichin Kapnya, Bat Bakipat Ba Kinyo Yat, Bat Yeng Kalud, Hakanikalanti. Habayakran bat kenong patay kubor uba polling do ulong ke Sorkar kala shim yakarai ban Pynkynriah no ikenong di Madan Khyndailad syakijaka yau jong ke Sorkar kibadan Hamuda Polo Shopping Complex bat yodu parking lot bat ke Sorkar kan shim kya hagaban penbiang yakajaka di tangna kabenta kitu kenong di Madan kibaladep register bat ke Sorkar. Ulong kecing temu jong ke Sorkar ban le ekane kadai ban Pynkynriah yakatan Khyndailad kanang bakipat ba kinyo yat kelut hakane katan.
Well, as I said, we have something called the law of the land. The law of the land will prevail. No one is above that law. They will have to conform to that law. The streets of Shillong do not belong to any single group of individuals. And the most affected here in the city, when you compare to any other city, are pedestrians. Because on the one side you have motorists and bikers, on the other side you have hawkers. What about people who walk? They also have rights. So, in order to encourage them and also to encourage good health, we will have to declare, and we have decided to declare Khyndailad as a pedestrian zone to encourage people to walk around, enjoy good music, see how Shillong just does not claim to be a music capital, but actually is music capital by encouraging young singers to be all around that stretch. And it would be more in the interest of the citizens of Shillong and of that area. It would be better for them to hear musicians than to hear hawkers screaming. Our concern is with registered hawkers and those who comply with the laws of the land, because there are laws passed by the state government, there are instructions issued by the central government. So in conformity with whatever laws are in place, they will be suitably rehabilitated. Registration, kalau ada lupa, proses registration untuk ada petang municipal board, kalis kapan baki, mana badai nak kena ke area kita, kaba ingin lemda on a priority basis, bila korang ba ingin identify lagi, jaka kaba.
Uba polling do ubalong ru chairman ka regional committee chongka West Khasi Hills ulayathu bakaching penrung khat hapo kani ka committee kadang ya chakman kamtam habake khat ki barim kem shimlalong MLA show but in pendap no ya kani ka kam hapo ni upanahi khanang banyo sedang no ya ka kam habakali haduk kat no nla ban penbet yo put usam jong ka shnong langpi uba pol ulong bahabadon kaching kinyale ban penbet bat ukerman scam bakaching penbet kan kam he banya kaching
Today I spoke to the DC West Khasi Hills. We are trying to first get the new members nominated because the old committees have become dysfunctional in view of the fact that you have MLAs who are no longer in the current house. So that process is already on, but hopefully in the next 1 month, we should be having the regional committee fully in place, and then we will visit Nongstang in order to take a review.
Hakawai pat kalyang uba polling do ulong katanat chungok kai parthai kala shim me karai ban pen buon shu I ki jakasa na kabanta ki nongwan chungok kai hakathan sora ban pen bhaya ka Pinewood Hotel ka Orchid Hotel ka badan ha umyam bat hamau ka siang ke Sorkar kala rai ru banya trelang no bat ki kun hun shimet ban pen ya ki katto ka ni ki jakasa na kabanta ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kot jong ka jala bat ke Sorkar kan pen bha bat pen itanat shu ya ki Circuit House kamtam ka badan hasora Uba pol ulong bala terwaru bantai ya ka theme park kaban sedang namairang Eastern West Khasi Hills Shadow Ranikor South West Khasi Hills bat kan poiru Shadow Put Usam ke Jala Assam ban pensuk bat ban penjana ya ka let kawan syakakat lingsun kabadan Hagawahati
Ki proposal mentah kenia cakaman kabaningkong kedai ke renovation but been introduced ki facilities ke batmai ki jaka kum ka hotel Pinewood nan Orchid Hotel Dam Umyam mau ke siang ti nilai keren ru pa kenang ban la ban generate revenue makhamba na menta Sorkar Hindan ru ki joint venture hakimi ki units akaba ki benta ki ba ke jong ki ba clay benta ba ke MTDC kan dan ke lo ke kita ndai hakaba ki facilities ki ba mai ki ba ki private players ki dei ki ba la manne khamba in IT haki ta ba kan dan kalau long hakab PPP mode lane ke joint venture mode review dasni kalau ni ki circuits tourism circuits in Sora kaba in develop Khambon juju ni homestays ba ki hotels ki area nangta kadandru ke proposal na benda ke theme park ban sedang namairang kan kita lang Ranikor but paisa border jong Assam ti kani ka timpa kan dan than ke pakan ni kan sok ada akses du dia ka Guwahati airport na tagadao kan kam kan pensuk ini ki visitors kan yapan boy meaning footfall kan kio ketika than